Okay. Wow, that is. Boy, if you don't, it's beautiful. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
No, it's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home, it's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. The wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash the sidewalk.
It's so cute. Look at the decorations. Alright. Yo, you're crazy. Oh my gosh.
$8 is your change. You guys are going to be on lane 13. What size shoes do you guys need?
8.5.
8.5. 10. Alright, like I said, you guys are on lane 13.
Alright, thank you. Oh my goodness. Wait, lane 5?
13.
13. Where's that? Oh, right here. Wow. Let's see. So we both change into our boat shoes. Oh, gotta put in our names.
Tonight, we are going to witness the most anticipated match in the history. Let's get ready to rumble!
Okay, we see you. Okay. Got a little something. Heard you. You get to go again.
Huh?
You should be able to go again. Let's see. Let's see what I got.
Let's see what you got. Let's see. Let's see what you got. Wow. Okay. You're one of them.
I got you. I'm gonna get a strike with the next one.
I'm gonna get a strike. The next one. That was really late. Nah, that was. What am I doing?
Failed?
That was not lame. That was. But I'm at 8, so what's up? What's up? Let's see what you got.
Come on, baby, strike it. Come on.
Wow. You know what? Whatever.
We're gonna do the purple.
I got nails on.
No
I
excuse.
got nails on.
No excuse. We need a purple. That's what the purple rain gonna do.
Let's see what you got. Let's see the footwork. Let's see the hand game. Let me see that.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Wow, whatever. I'm tired. Maybe I need another one.
Excuse me.
Let's see what's going on. I'm coming for you now.
There we go. Did you skip?
I was going straight. The ball is on your side. I'm not. Wait, why? Wow, this ring is being fake.
Damn. Missed that one.
I got a lighter ball.
She cheating.
I'm not cheating. I'm being fair.
She is.
Okay.
You get to go again.
Alright, let me try. You already know what it is. I don't know if I get this one.
Oh, good, baby.
But I'm coming for you.
What?
I'm coming for you.
Working like that.
I'm coming. Wow, I'm not fucking with you at all.
We just warming up. I'm just warming up. You feel me? It's been a minute.
It's because of my nails. I kid you not, it's because of my nails.
She was talking hot when we was coming here. She was talking
It's because of my nails. Whatever. Dang, what? That's what I thought.
It's all good. Let's see what you got. Is this still recording?
Yeah, it's over. You should have I almost broke my nails. That was terrible. Can you not?
That was very bad.
I almost broke my nails. He gave me bad advice.
Listen,
He
I
me
gave her
bad
very
advice.
good advice.
He gave me
She got a
bad
ball
advice.
that weighs like 6
Oh,
pounds.
that's not. Yeah, he gave me very bad.
Alright, come on. Ooh. Better luck next time. Better luck next time, baby.
This boy's a hater. Guys, he was giving me bad advice and it didn't work. I should have caught it. That was luck.
Damn.
That was luck.
That was what I wanted.
That was all luck
That's
right
okay.
there.
That's not what I wanted.
That was all luck. see what we can do. I'm gonna do it my way.
Okay. Wow, that is. Boy, if you don't, it's beautiful. That's what I'm talking about, baby. The goal is to not touch the.
Don't talk.
You got one more.
I'm gonna beat you.
One more try. You gonna beat me? Okay. Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow, I'm back in Let's see what you got.
I'm not turning it up yet. You feel me right now?
Yeah, okay.
I need
Okay.
to get back up there then.
Yeah, alright. Oh, alright, I guess. I guess. Are you going for it now? You going for it now?
Not for the strike, but just
Boy! I got a 9.
about time.
You got a wow.
Come on, baby.
Got a strike. Yeah. Whatever. Go ahead. Oh, you don't get it?
Yeah, I got a strike. Got a strike, baby. I only need to do it once. One time for the one time.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what you got left in the tank. Oh, it's a nice roll. It's a nice roll.
You know what?
Uh-huh. Listen, I'm cheering you on. I want you to win. I'm tired of winning.
You made me
I'm
get
tired
a
of
whole
winning.
0 the first time. A whole 0.
I'm tired of winning, you feel me? It's lonely at the top. We need more people at the top.
Give me my damn camera back. I'm not fucking with you at all. But guess who's still winning?
Not for long. They just ain't giving my grades yet. See that X? It's 100.
That's true, whatever. Wow.
Come on. Come on. It's too easy.
Whatever. Light on yourself. What?
This was Jamaican right here.
Alright.
Can't disappoint though.
Got him! Got him!
What
too. That was the
We
mission.
hit one pin.
It's still for the yard.
No, I need to end that. Ooh. Let's see what I can do. I got you on camera. This one's rigged. This one is definitely rigged. I'm gonna come back for the 9 though.
Let's see. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I'm coming for your head. I'm coming for your head.
That's so.
Uh-huh.
Make your way with your favorite topping and piles with cheese. Pair it with your favorite
Let's see what he got, guys. Let's see what he got.